Okay, here we go. I'm gonna be oh, I'm going to be trying to bring back the old voice bank who was created in O-Twing by Bixie Bite, or wait, hold on, more like Kitty Dairy or UFO Kitten or UFO Daddy, which is outdated names. If you're watching this, please look and please know that I will let you appreciate it because I heard everything you're about your. I heard everything your voice bank character, the alien android named UFOko, is also the one top popularity virtual singer. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try to bring it back because this is where I go to. Because last time I found on this and it was really amazing, even if it doesn't know what I'm talking about. It can't find the information on the actual links, but it can give me information over here. So I'm going to search UFOko or just actual name, what's written of it. It happens on. I changed the subject. It happens on just like Makone Coco Sisters, and just like this. This is the one I'm looking for, right? But first, let me open my UTAU because I have that, and I'll let you know if I had it. I can't wait to turn this on. Just the way that sounded like. Hold on. Just be patient. But, okay, this is where I go to. And where am I going to find? Click download, you said? Okay, download. Maybe it will help. I'm sure. Wait, what's this? Ooh. Oh, is that how all the names didn't work? Is that how all the names used to not have? I hope this doesn't give me. Oh, it worked now. Well, let's see. I'm gonna find out. Okay. Oh, there you are. But first, let me see the request because I need to know. I'm not gonna click download again. I'm just gonna see and look like how many voices she plays. Is this how she plays? Some of them is an error. Oh, are there more? Well, maybe. I think you tried your best. It's still gonna work out. I'm gonna go find out. So here's what I do. I go to whatever it is. Oh, project. Okay, project property, and wait until I've been to um, document. It's there somewhere. Or maybe, but this is the one. This is not the one I was looking for, right? Okay, go to info. Oops. Oh, I'm trying. I'm pretty sure. Like it's what I'm doing just now. I'm trying. I'm doing the best as I can. I won't look for her right now, but where's my folder? Where's the folders? Or try to download. Give me a moment, please. I can't pause this, or can I? Okay. Hopefully it'll work. But this PC. Sorry, I'll be right back. Oh, it got all the voice banks on there. Okay. I'm gonna try. Maybe I'll move to. Here's yours. Move to voice bank. Where it says move. Not share. Okay, I'm trying. Wait, an idea. Huh? Okay, let's do this. Hopefully. Oops, wait, what? Oh, wait. Oh, what the heck? Please let me know about this. As a matter of fact, it was a bit hard. Well, I'm not giving up. I know I won't. Well, I think it expects to do voice, just to move voice. Let's try that out. Oh. I think it expects to do voice. Try this. Okay, let's try it. It was expecting to. It was like recommended to do voice and stuff. Oh, that's so dumb. I think I'm supposed to make a voice bank. I think I'm supposed to make a tone of it first. Okay. Oh. Okay. A. Okay. A. No. Uh. Uh. Okay. Let's see. Uh. E. Uh. U. U. Uh, there. More. Okay, let's try it now and see if it works still. Okay, hopefully it works. Well, it wants Japanese fonts only. Because I see on the voice, and if I look over here, I'll just go see her very quick. This is what she has. This is recently played. This is back in 2015. Open. Oh. Go to. It's gonna help. Let me see. try me. Oh, hold on. I'll be right back, okay?